Hola, Senor Jordan here. In this video, we're going to talk about changing IR verbs into the conditional. The conditional is a tense or a mood used to talk about things that would happen. Some examples are
Dormiría. Iríamos. Te sentirías.
to form the conditional of IR verbs, we'll take the verb, leave everything including the R on the end, and add the following endings. Notice that the R is there in the boxes to remind us that we'll leave the R on the end of the verb plus add the additional letters. The conditional looks similar to the imperfect, except we have the RIA ending instead of the IA ending. Now let's see how the verb
Dormir.
would change to say different people would sleep.
Dormiría. Dormirías. Dormiría. Dormiríamos. Dormiríais. Dormirían.
Now let's see how the verb
Pedir.
will change to say different people would ask for or order.
Pediría. Pedirías. Pediría. Pediríamos. Pediríais. Pedirían.
Now let's see how the verb
Irse.
will change to say different people would leave or go away.
Me iría. Te irías. Se iría. Nos iríamos. Os iríais. Se irían.
Notice that the reflexive pronouns change into the different forms and go before the changed verb form. To review, IR verbs will have the following endings in the conditional. This will work with many IR verbs. However, some will change a little differently. Now, here are some common IR verbs that we can use with the formula in this video.
Abrir. Decidir. Despedirse. Divertirse. Dormir. Dormirse. Escribir. Ir. Irse. Pedir. Recibir. Seguir. Sentir. Sentirse. Vivir.
And here are some of those verbs and sentences in the conditional. Something you'll notice is that many of these have if clauses with the word
Sí.
and then the past subjunctive to say if something were to happen or were to be true.
¿Te irías ahora mismo si pudieras? Abriría la ventana si no hiciera tanto frío. Se divertirían en la fiesta si fueran. Él dormiría 8 horas si pudiera. Seguiríamos caminando si no estuviera lloviendo. Te sentirías mejor si comieras algo. Se dormirían enseguida si estuvieran en sus camas. Decidiría irme si no me sintiera tan cómoda aquí. Viviríamos en el campo si pudiéramos trabajar desde casa. Ángel escribiría un libro si tuviera una buena idea.
I hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with others who could benefit. Also, as an extra challenge, try to write a sentence in the comments section in the conditional with an IR verb. Thanks for watching. Gracias.